Hello, thanks for watching this video. Today we will talk about robots that are widely used in modern industrial manufacturing, entertainment, and household. More specifically, robot vacuum cleaners. Not so long ago, Redroad has launched its first handheld cordless quiet vacuum cleaner V17. I guess you have already watched this video, right? If not, please kindly check it right after this video. And today it's a big day because we will introduce you 3-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner that can vacuum, mop, and it has built-in self-cleaning system, the G10. Yay, this one. Before we dive in, have you ever thought about why do we need a robot vacuum cleaner? Be or not to be a robot vacuum cleaner owner? To answer this question, we will use a G10. So let me unbox this baby first, and then we will see its performance. Let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. Yep. By opening, you will get the robot vacuum. It comes with the 2 side brushes. One is here already equipped, right? And one is like for free, like external one. And there's like mops. The first one mop is right here, and second one is like actually coming soon. And the filters. The filter is like the dust box is right here. And it's easy to take it out, and actually there's like one small brush. Okay, so talking about this one is like a self-charging base, and we can see that it has like a dirty water tank and clean water tank, and actually it has a dirty water filter and dust brush, charging cable, and the manual. So now it's time to talk about a robot vacuum cleaner anatomy. So they are charging electrodes in front right here. And this one is a laser radar. Nowadays, we can't imagine robot vacs without navigators. It was created to help the robot quickly detect and identify surroundings environment and draw the real-time accurate 2D maps to ensure completely cleanness, so it will be easy to control the overall situation. I love it. And this one is a cover, I told you, and it has a very nice filter, right? And the filter is actually equipped with the, the dust box is equipped with the filter. And actually, we can see that there's like a Wi-Fi indicated, the light, and a reset button right here. And they are kind of HIR sensor and collision sensor right here, and with a nice bump. As we can see, there's 2 buttons on the surface. So the first one is like the home button and a recharging and off buttons too. And right here you can find the recharging sensor. As I told you before, like they are right here. All the sensors are actually equipped with here. So flipping this robot, we will find, and this one is like vibrational mop bracket. By the way, like it's not detachable, so be careful. If you want to take it out, all you have to do is like this and put it back. See, it's very easy. So they actually are left and right wheels. I love them, it's pretty good buffers. It will easily get over 2 or 3 centimeters of obstacles. And here's like main brush. You can just take it out and clean it and put it back. You'll hear the really nice like click sound. And another one was like, this is like, the side brushes. One is quite enough. I see some of them has a 2, but it's not like that big differences. And another one is like 360-degree universal wheels. I find them very cute. So ultrasonics is situated right to the cliff sound. By the way, this one is ultrasonic, this one is the cliff sound, sensors, and it has 6 of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It prevents any kind of falling, right? So I'm done with this one. Now it's time to talk about our cleaning base. This robot vacuum has a smart 3-in-1 self-cleaning, self-drying, charging base station features, which means you barely have to lift a finger. I have seen so many charging base stations, but this is the first time when I see such a round, beautiful shaped self-cleaning base. Cleaning base anatomy. I love that it has 2 different water tanks. One is for clean water and the second one is for dirty water tank. It helps to keep your robot vacuum and mops, these mops, like clean and tidy. All you have to do is fill up with the water, like whatever it needs. We have already put in water, and clean as soon as this dirty tank is full. Extremely convenient. So the question will be like, be or not to be the owner of vacuum cleaner? What kind of question is that? Yes, of course. What else do you need, right? Going back to the base, there are 2 buttons on the top right here, and one is for sweeping and mopping and recharging cleaning buttons. So going down, few more things than any other cleaning base. So here we can see the cleaning brush, cleaning tray, recharging tray, and the dirty water filters like up there, and the draining hole. Like, wow, I think that was a really huge part of the introduction. I see Redroad did lots of research work to create such a perfect robot vacuum cleaner. Like, wow, amazing. And there's another question will be what really crosses my mind. Have you ever thought that why do we need a robot vacuum cleaner? Robotic vacuums are better than ever and bound to improve your home life. They keep your floors cleaner, cut down on dust or other allergens like pollen in ways that you manually operated vacuums never could, and give you much more free time. They change your life in the most positive ways, and well, I cannot disagree. The vacuum cleaner with application like the Redroad can be started up and operated from any other location, and I love it. So your robot will be carefully scan its environment and create a map, and as a result, it knows your home better than you do sometimes here. So I can see that everything here. Once it networked with the Redroad app, you can control a Redroad G10 using your smartphone. And there are main options that you have to know. The first one is like schedule a cleaning time. So you create a daily or weekly cleaning plan according to your needs. So a vacuum cleaner will automatically do its work due to the schedule. It's super convenient while you are at work or having a business trip or anything else. And if you need something to clean immediately, you can activate it whenever you need that. And it goes to clean. So the second one is like partition. You'll also set the restricted arrays in your house, like right now. So like through the app. So for example, if you have a balcony or a plant art array in your house, that there's no need to be bothered by a robot vacuum cleaner. So I think it's super convenient. Talking about features of the Redroad G10, I have to admit that it's a very powerful vacuum cleaner. It can vacuum carpets, bare floors, and mop at the same time. And yeah, so mopping is the main option actually. So since we have already described its features, how about we just try it out on the real-time performance? So the cleaning performance of the robot vacuum greatly depends on the suction power, which the Redroad G10 monitor contains quite impressive numbers, 2800 Pascal. And there are 4 cleaning like mods which were available. As you can see, this one is like 600, 1800, 1800 Pascal and 2200 Pascal. And what about daily mopping? As we know, it's a quite sensitive vacuum, which all of the smart sensors that is equipped with. And there's a question, is it possible to untie the bottom of the sofa or under the bed? Will it stuck or something? Well, apparently not. The robot knows its possibilities. So if there is a chance to get out, it goes. If there is the could get stuck, the robot will change the cleaning path. Collecting and emptying rubbish. So this part you should clean it manually. Just open it. Okay, thank you. Take out the dust part, open it, and empty it. It's very easy. So talking about the mopping performance, its features, and this robot has a spectacular function that simulates the principle of the sonic cleaning toothbrush. It shows absolutely great results. Just look at the floor, it's shining. So by the way, when it's done cleaning your floors, the mop lifts it automatically, which prevents secondary pollution. And super smart technology, and this feature also works on carpets. So compared with the other models, Redroad has a carpet recognition sensor. So basically it quickly lifts the mop when encountering with a carpet and turns on the carpet pressurization on the same time. I think like super smart, isn't it? Yeah. With just one click, the tap water is electrolyzed into pollution-free sterilizating water with an effective sterilization rate of 99.9%. When it goes back to the charging station, it turns into self-cleaning mode and simulates the principle of washboard washing. It keeps your mops clean and tidy. So the battery of this Redroad G10 is like 5200 milliampere, but up to 3 hours of runtime in one single charge, and their 450 milliliters water tank holds enough to mop a array up to, a lot, maybe like 1 1,800 square feet. So plus the precise obstacle avoidance capabilities mean you don't have to worry about getting tangled up into loose cords or charges. I think like it's quite enough for a house 180 square meters, and that will be just amazing just for one runtime. Redroad provides excellent value. Not only does it perform well, but also price it fairly enough. This is especially true for someone who wants to invest into the right robot vacuum, but does not want to spend ridiculously amount for robotic vacuums, right? And this one is only 699 USD. I think because of the price, it has like a self-cleaning and the charging base, maybe that's why. And remember, expensive not always good, and cheap is not always bad. Comparing with G10 with other vacuum cleaners, performance, we still think that Redroad deserves your attention because it still has so many outstanding features like excellent results on the vacuum carpets, and the mopping without secondary pollution, evaporating mopping functions like sonic mopping. Do you remember about that? Superb overall performance on the hard floors, hands-free smart cleaning with the Redroad app, and the long battery life. Okay, have you ever thought about why do we need a robot vacuum cleaner? Since we live in 21st century and modern technology provides us more advanced options to ease our lives, and robotic vacuum cleaners are better than ever and created to improve our home life. This is so true. Like, it does all of these hardest household chores, keeps your floors and your house very clean and shiny, and that's all. This is what I really like. So they change probably your life into positive ways. That's really true. And does it necessary to purchase such a pricey product? Well, it depends on the quality, right? But it does not mean that you have to pay a ridiculously high price for a vacuum cleaner. And the question will be like, does it pricey at all? I mean, like 699 USD, it's all because of this, like, you know, the cleaning base, that's why. And the cleaning base is actually really good for your vacuum cleaner. And well, according to Redkey, we have already broken a pricey vacuum cleaner myth. So true. And thanks for everyone for watching our videos, for your and also for your continued support to us. See you in the next video. Bye.